Hello, Scrapbookers. This is Megan, and I am finally back with the new layout for you. So for this one, I am using my January kit from the Scrapbooking Store, and I actually did make this one in either December or January, I can't remember, and I just never got around to posting the video. So I thought I would share this one with you this week. And over the next few weeks, I am going to be trying to post at least one video every week. I don't know if you know, but I do have a cleaning YouTube channel, and so a lot of my time has gone towards that and building up subscribers over there and everything. So that takes a lot of time. If you are not a subscriber over there, I would appreciate it if you would come follow me. But if you're not into the cleaning motivation, I totally get it. Okay, let's move on to this layout. So I am using the snow background and snow flurries or something like that. It looks like snow flurries to me. And then I have these two photos of Brennan and Jonas when they were little. This was 2009. So Jonas was 5, right? Yeah, Jonas was 5, and was he 5? Oh my gosh, I can't even remember. And then Brennan was, I think 3.5 or 4. It depends on when these photos were taken. I think they were taken in November of 2009. So that would be, let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, Jonas would be 5. That's weird. Okay, sorry. Totally went off on a tangent. I was thinking about these pictures were taken. Where were they taken? They were taken at a house we rented, and I didn't think Jonas was in kindergarten. So he probably was still in preschool in 2009 and then went to kindergarten in 2010. I don't know. Anyway, sorry, totally getting distracted by age here. So you can see I am just matting the images, and I really wanted to use that floral mat that you see first on the back of the photos as the main mat. But just because the background was blue, I decided to do some ink blending on the edges, and then I did add a little bit of a red piece of paper to the background. It's the houndstooth pattern that comes in the main kit. Now I am going to start embellishing. I kept the title super simple, Let It Snow. It's really nice with the Scrapbooking Store kits. A lot of times they come with all the pattern papers and the sticker sheet. We oftentimes will get either Echo Park or Simple Stories kits, and it's super nice being able to coordinate things like that. And then the upgrades that we get with the embellishment upgrades just add to the main kit so much more. So now I am going to start adding some banners. I was thinking I wanted to do them sideways, but then immediately decide, no, I don't want to do that. So I'm going to add 3 little banners up here at the top. And then I'm also going to bring in this little pendant banner thingy that came as one of the embellishments, the upgrades for this month's kit. I really liked the dark navy blue with the red and then the light blue. It all just went so well together. So I'm going to start gluing all 3 of these down along with the little pendant banner. And then I'm going to add some more embellishments in that corner up there at the top right. I'm also going to add some ink to the edges of the papers up here. And I'm going to bring in some of the cute little snowflakes from the sticker sheet, and then a little embellishment sticker that says all dressed up with snow place to go. So obviously Jonas and Brennan are just having fun playing outside in the snow and throwing snowballs at each other. I just thought it was simple and cute. Gonna add some more snowflakes, and then I'm gonna add 3 little embellishments from the upgrade kit. They are these cute little snowmen that you can see right there. So I'm going to add those, and then I think that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you'll come back again when I post again. Make sure you are subscribed and you hit that bell notification so you know when I post. Have a great scrappy day. Bye.